Whoa! Imagine a ham sandwich blended into a chicken. No loco. This is the swing set tree. It looked like a swing set, a giant one, but now it fell. So now it's no longer a swing set tree. I don't know what happened here. I'm skipping. I'm skipping. Oh no, 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 no. Which way is this day to go? It's not that far. Oh, it's a giant hole. Yo, giant. Yo, bug, what is up? You know why they call couches couches? 'Cause it's a place where you call your coziness and grouches together makes a couch. It's a cozy grouch. Those grouches are like, how could these I'm so mad. You're mad, I'm the bigger man. Well, I don't suppose so. Try to take it down a level. Try to make it up a level. Going down the escalator. I told you it was an elevator. Make my dream a reality. Make my dream a reality. When I sleep at night, it's in my head. Make that dream a reality. Toast is for toasters, not roasters. Man, get your words right, dude. You think I can eat soap? Well, I can. It's not even going in my mouth. You think you can eat soap? Try it. What is real and what is fake? There's a fine line between that space. I can hear something, can you? Oh, it's me. I can hear myself. That's horrible. It's the worst sound I've ever heard. Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. Why are your videos so random? I didn't expect Q&A. Huh? Huh? Vito. 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 Go team! Go team! Yeah! We're gonna go. Bye. No, I'm not gone yet, but I had to say something. Bye. You like that? It's a fascination. It's a fascination. Ew, you got so many bugs on your teeth, it's disgusting. Oh my gosh. Like, get that checked out or something. You creepy crawly. Mm-hmm. Feeling right through the door. Mm-hmm. Feels like a boy. Mm-hmm. Got that? Mm-hmm. What am I supposed to do with all this? You see this? I'm not a glitter duster. I can do anything you can do. Just test me. So, I got my eye fixed yesterday. I used to wear an eye patch like a pirate. I used to be a pirate, but then I got off that ship and I went straight to the doctor. The doctor gave me a new eye. I am great now. But I gotta do this every few minutes. Yay! Yay! Who can do the hula hoop? There's no quick way to pronounce your name. That is what they say. I say, screw them, 'cause they'll never come back over here. I'm gonna tell them about the field and yeah. But I'm pronouncing your name, that doesn't make any sense. What would you call this on a rating from 1 to 10? No rating is possible. This isn't raining. This is freezing rain. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Be sure to check out my other videos if you like this. And peace. See you later.